so I just got done doing Nova's hair. My voice is still terrible from being sick, but today we got another, just like Nova's, a super easy and cute hairstyle that's going to be piggyback pigtails. So let's get started so you can understand what I mean. Okay, so I already sprayed her hair down and detangled it. So what I'm going to do is start with my part. Now I'm going to be doing kind of a lot of parts up at the front, but I want to stop it about here, right at the ear. So I'm just going to go from one side to the other, all the way across and part it. And then we're going to be making these diagonal kind of skinny parts that are going to, come to a point right in the middle of her head. So right from the middle of the head, we're gonna go out and do these diagonal parts. So I'm gonna start right about here and make a diagonal part. Okay, so this part goes from the middle of her head back at this line, all the way up to about the arch of her eyebrows. So you see it comes just like that. So we're going to work with this side first. Let me clip this side up. Okay. I'm going to be using my orange rubber bands today. So from this little part, we need to make our first section. So I'm just going to take it from this point, because we're still doing the point, and bring that up to make our first part. And depending on how big you want these sections is how far of a kind of diagonal line you make for the second one. Okay, so we have our first little section here. I got a little bit of my flaxseed gel. I'm just going to put in it. And I'm going to put in my ponytail. I'm going to put it in about the middle of the section here. So right in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to make my next part. So from this point up at the top, you're going to just make another diagonal line for another section. You want to kind of keep the sections pretty even. A little bit more of my gel. And then for the piggyback part of this hairstyle, you're going to just add this section of hair that you already did to this next one. And you want to kind of line the ponytails up. Alright guys, so this is the front part. So we just have the diagonal little parts, and we piggybacked them all the way, and then we have these two little ends. So what we're going to do now is make a part down the middle of the back of the head to split these for two pigtails. Okay, so once you have your hair split, you're going to want to make your pigtails. So just put a little bit of gel in. I'm going to comb it all, smooth it down. And then I'm going to add this last section from the front into the pigtail. Okay, and then you can either leave the ponytail out like this, or the pigtail out curly. You can twist it, you can braid it, but I think I'm gonna try and just section it with ponytails. So let me just show you what I mean if you don't understand. So I'm just gonna take it and put a ponytail in a little down from the one I just made. Okay. And then I'm gonna do that just all the way down. So from that ponytail, I'm gonna go down a little bit more, put in another one. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, so here is the final look. I got this style off of a photo from Pinterest. I saw a Pinterest photo, I wanted to try it, see how easy it was and how it would turn out. And I don't like it. I do not like it. I do not like this. I'm going to take this out. I left this side as curls, just her little curls. I think that's way better than this. And the front, I don't know. I kind of don't like it. Maybe I did it wrong. I gotta look at the Pinterest photo that I got this idea from, but I just don't really like it. We're not going anywhere, so I'm just gonna leave it in anyway since I took all that time to do it. Actually, it wasn't that long. It was about 15 minutes, but still. I'm gonna leave it in because I want to see if it grows on me if I start to like it, but I don't know. Let me take this out and just do the curls in these, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after. Alright guys, I just have the two curled pigtails in the back here. I still don't know how I feel about this, but you guys let me know. Let me know if this is cute or if you think you would try it or not. I don't know. I kind of don't like it. But yeah, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, or if you like this hairstyle or don't like this hairstyle, still give us a thumbs up. It helps us out a lot. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because we love sharing these ideas with you and we love hearing feedback from you. And if you are subscribed, you will see our videos every time they're posted. And if you want to see them right away, you hit that little bell button to get notified as soon as we post a new video.
Plus we have kid videos. We make videos. So
yeah, they have their own kid channel too.
Tell your kids to watch it.
And yeah, so I guess that's all for today. You guys let me know what you think of this hairstyle. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.